This is my personal AI system that I'm working with to define and reach my fitness goals. Nothing really unusual here except one thing. It's running completely locally on my computer, and I don't even need an internet connection to run it. So I'm going to turn off my internet, and then I'm going to send in the answer to the question that it just asked me. And you'll see it's responding just like it would if I was still connected to the internet, because everything that you see here is running completely locally on this computer without even needing an internet connection. And this is what I'm going to show you how to set up in this course. You'll understand everything about how to set up your own local AI system and get up and running, and everything else you want to know about local AI with no technical expertise required. Let's get into it. So what is local AI? Local AI just means running your AI system and the AI model directly on your computer instead of using a hosted service from another company like ChatGPT. When you use a system like ChatGPT, you're a guest in someone else's house. All of your chats and data are sent to and reside on their servers, and you can't host ChatGPT on your own computer locally. Your only option is to be a user of their system and to operate under their rules. But luckily, being a user of a big tech AI system like ChatGPT isn't the only option. Over the last few years, the open source community has released thousands of AI models that are possible to run directly on your own hardware, your own laptop or desktop computer, and you don't have to be super technical to do it. In other words, you can be an owner of your own AI system instead of a user of someone else's AI system. So why would you want to run a local AI system? The first reason people usually come to local AI is in search of privacy. They don't want their data sent to a company like OpenAI that owns ChatGPT to be processed, trained on, or God knows what with. The second reason people like local AI is because of the freedom it provides. You don't have to abide by someone else's rules and censorship. When you run your own AI system locally, you decide the rules. And the third reason is control. When you use a hosted service like ChatGPT, you're stuck with their interface and the models they give you, and they can change things whenever they want. When you own your own local AI system, you decide. And the fourth reason people like local AI is because of the convenience it provides. You can run and switch between many different models easily. Same thing with tools and connections, etc., while keeping all of your data in one place under your complete ownership and control. And the final reason is cost. Most local AI systems and local AI models are open source and free to use. So the only cost to run them is the electricity needed to power your computer. Now, is switching to a local AI system really worth it when compared to big tech AI systems like ChatGPT? The great answer is you don't have to choose. The biggest misconception about local AI is that it's an all or nothing proposition. It isn't. While their capabilities are increasing quickly, the power of the state-of-the-art models from companies like OpenAI and Anthropic still exceed what you can run locally, especially for the most complex tasks. So the right question isn't should you run only local or use only a cloud-based AI model. It's use the right tool for the right task in a system that you control. In other words, you can still access the state-of-the-art models offered in systems like ChatGPT and Claude, but you could do it in your own AI system where you can switch back and forth using cloud-based models when you want the most powerful models and using local models when you care most about control and privacy. So that's local AI, an AI model running on your own computer on your terms. And to get there, you need exactly three things. The first thing is an AI model. The second thing is a computer powerful enough to run it. And the third thing is a way to talk to it. In the next video, we're going to focus on whether or not your computer is powerful enough to run local AI. It takes about 2 minutes to find out, and I'll show you how. I'll see you there.